At the first part of this model, we saw how to work with gvSIG desktop to edit for an advanced editing and publish that data in gvSIG Online. Now we are going to see how to edit a layer, a vector layer, in gvSIG Online. It's a basic editing, and we are going to see how to do it. So first of all, we have to access to the file manager, and we are going to upload the shapefile. At the first video, we saw how to publish a layer from gvSIG desktop to PostGIS, and then how to publish that layer in gvSIG Online. Now we are going to upload the shapefile directly to gvSIG Online and publish that shapefile. So from File Manager, I'm going to access to this folder, and I'm going to create a new folder that will be Municipality GIS. I'm going to create this folder, and here I'm going to upload the shapefile. In this case, the Zurich points of interest. I'm going to select them and upload. And here we have the shapefile and the DBF file. We have to access to export to database to export the shapefile to the database. Then we are going to select create. Data store will be Municipality GIS. It's the same than we used in the first video of this module. And now it will be the name of the layer will be Zurich and points of interest. Encoding, and the reference system is this one. Is the reference system of our shapefile, and then we press export. Well, we have now the shapefile at the database. So from the services layer groups, we are going to access to Municipality GIS, and we are going to publish the last layer. We have the Zurich streets of our first video, and now we are going to add to this group, we are going to add the Zurich points of interest. It will be visible. Then we select the data store, this one, the resource, Zurich points of interest, here the name, the title, Zurich points of interest. Layer group is this one, and then we press next. The groups of or users that can be read or write this layer. For writing, only my user. For reading, everyone. And we press save. So if we access to the project at the layer group, the Municipality GIS, we will have both layers. So we are going to access to the project, the Zurich Municipality GIS, and now we can see that at the Municipality GIS we have Zurich streets and Zurich points of interest. We have to clear the cache because if we press here, it doesn't appear because of the cache, so I have to press here. And for Zurich points of interest, I'm going to zoom to layer, and I'm going to change the symbology for this layer. From symbology, layer styles, and then for Zurich points of interest, we can add a new style, or we can update this style. So you can select the symbol here, or you can import from library. For example, from points of interest, we have different points. We can select this one, points of interest, and we are going to save. Before that, we are going to label also by name, and the font, the label field will be the name, and we are going to save. After that, if we update the web page, the project, we can see the points of interest and the names. We can see the name of the different elements. Well, we have loaded this layer, and now we are going to edit this layer from gvSIG Online. At the last video, we did it from gvSIG Desktop, and now we are going to edit this layer from gvSIG Online. So for Zurich points of interest, we have to press edit layer, and now because I'm with my user, so I have the option to the edit layer, and now I can edit. I have a new toolbar with the options to edit the features. For example, I'm going to add a new point with this option, and I'm going to press here. For example, I can add a point to the center of the image, or I can add a point where I'm here. If I have the GPS, I'm in a computer now, but if you are in a mobile phone or a tablet, you can use GPS, and you can add a point at the GPS location. So, for example, this one, I'm going to change the name, the railway station, for example. I'm going to save, and I'm going to add a new point of interest, the city hall here, and city hall. Well, we have the information. We can edit the features. For example, this one, we have filled. We have written the name, and we also can edit the feature resources. For example, for the city hall, I'm going to select here. I'm going to add an image. For example, this one, or better Yes, I have the image here. Okay, and sorry, only one. I'm going to save it, and for the railway station, after saving it, and for the railway station, I'm going to edit this point, railway station, and I'm going to select a PDF file. Here I have a PDF file. I'm going to save this point, and after that, if I stop editing, I have updated, and now I have the new 2 points, the railway station, as you can see here, and the city hall, as you can see here. And if I press the info by point tool for the city hall, I have the alphanumerical information, and at the multimedia resources, I have the picture that I selected. And for the railway station, I can press here, I have the alphanumerical information, and I have the PDF file with all the information about the railway station. So it's very useful for a municipality if you have the rules for the different buildings that people can build in the different areas of the city. You can create a layer with the different areas, and when the citizen press on his or her parcel, they can get the PDF file with the rules to build the building. So they don't have to go to the city hall and ask for the PDF, the paper with the information. So they can avoid to go to the city hall. Well, this is everything that we have seen at this video, and we will see at the next one, at the third part of this model, we will see how to connect gvSIG Online and gvSIG Mobile. See you!